What if I told you that you could get unlimited access to Seedance 2 plus every other top AI image, video, and audio model for a full 24 hours completely free? No credit card tricks, no watered down free tier. I'm talking real unlimited generations. I tested this myself today, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. If you're new here, this is Tech Tutor, and I cover AI tools that actually save you time and money as a creator. Today, we're diving into Higgsfield's new offer. Every single new user who signs up gets 1 full day of unlimited access to all the top models on the platform, and yes, that includes Seedance 2, their flagship video model. Let's get into it. So this is the page you'll be taken to after clicking the link in the description. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new account because this offer is mainly for new users. So for this demo, I'll quickly sign up with a fresh account. All right, I'm signed in now, and as you can see, I'm currently on the free plan. To activate the unlimited offer, click on pricing, then select get free trial for $0. This will take you to the checkout page. Don't worry about entering your payment details. You won't be charged during the trial period, and you can cancel at any time before it ends if you decide it's not for you. Once you're done, you'll see a message that says 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. Click continue and you'll be taken to the subscription page. From here, you can see all the models included in the offer, from image and video models to voice models as well. It's a surprisingly large collection for a free trial. Let's start with images. Higgsfield gives you access to models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5, GPT Image, and more, all included during this unlimited period. One thing to note is that all eligible models are marked with a blue label, making them easy to identify. For this first test, I'll use Seedream 5. Since it's unlimited, I'll generate 4 variations and leave the quality set to 2K, then hit generate. Looking at these results, they're actually impressive. Even at 2K, the images are sharp, detailed, and look great overall. And because we're not worrying about credits, we can keep experimenting with as many prompts as we want. For the next example, I'll switch over to Nano Banana Pro. I'll paste in a different prompt, generate 2 variations, and keep the quality at 2K since 4K isn't included in the unlimited offer. Then I'll start the generation. While that's running, I'll also test GPT Image. I'll paste in another prompt, choose my settings, and hit generate. Now let's look at the results. The Nano Banana Pro images came out really well. They're sharp, detailed, and more than good enough for things like AI storytelling, thumbnails, and creative projects. The GPT image result is also ready, and the product shot it generated looks fantastic. The lighting, composition, and overall quality are exactly what you'd expect from a premium image model. Now let's move on to the model everyone has been asking about, Seedance 2. This is Higgsfield's flagship video model, and is fully included in the unlimited trial. Over here in the video section, you can see Seedance 2 is already selected. With unlimited mode enabled, you can generate videos up to 8 seconds long for free. I'll paste in my dragon prompt and hit generate. If you ever run into a paywall message, it usually means one of your settings isn't covered by the promotion. The fix is simple. Go back, enable the unlimited toggle, make sure your settings are eligible, and generate again. As you can see, mine starts generating immediately after doing that. While this one is processing, I'm also going to prepare another video using Kling 3, which is also included in the unlimited offer. I'll enable unlimited mode, paste in my prompt, and get everything ready. Unfortunately, with unlimited mode enabled, I can only generate 1 video at a time, so I'll wait for the first generation to finish. All right, the first result is ready. Before I play it, I'll go ahead and start generating the second video. Now, let's watch the first result. Okay, that's actually impressive. Look at the detail on the dragon, the lighting, and how smoothly everything moves. This feels much closer to a movie shot than a typical AI-generated clip. Wow, that actually looks impressive. The motion feels smooth, the scene stays consistent throughout, and the level of detail is much better than I expected from a free generation. Now let's look at the second result. That came out really clean as well. The movement looks natural, the visuals are sharp, and the overall quality is surprisingly high. The best part is that you're not counting credits every time you hit generate. You can keep testing ideas, refining prompts, and creating as much content as you want during the trial period. Now, let's move on and test the audio features. A lot of people don't realize this offer includes audio generation too, which is something most free trials don't even offer. Over here, you can see 11 Labs is selected, and there are several other voice models available as well. For this demo, I'll stick with 11 Labs. Just like before, I'll enable unlimited mode and paste in my voice prompt. For this test, I'm using the voiceover feature, but you can also use options like voice change and translate. There are multiple voice samples available too, but I'll just pick one at random since this is only a quick demonstration. The audio generation is actually pretty fast.
Voice saying, "The world changed overnight. One discovery would rewrite history forever."
Now, I want to properly stress test this because the word unlimited gets used a lot in AI, and most of the time it comes with hidden limits. So I'm going to keep generating over and over again and see what happens. 1 generation, 2 generations, still going. No paywall, no warning message, no credit counter showing up. Everything continues to generate normally. At least from my testing, the unlimited trial appears to be doing exactly what it claims to do. Genuinely, this is one of the more generous free offers I've tested on this channel. You get a full day to actually explore the platform properly instead of being stuck with 2 or 3 free credits and a upgrade now wall. If you get through your free day and you want to keep going, Higgsfield Plus gives you 7 more days of unlimited access on top of that as part of a paid subscription. That's separate from the free offer, but worth knowing if you end up liking it as much as I did. If you want to try this yourself, I've got my link in the description, first line, so you don't have to go hunting for it. And it's pinned in the comments too. All new users get the same 24 hours of unlimited access, Seedance 2 included. Give it a shot before the window closes, and let me know in the comments what you end up generating. See you in the next one.